In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to stretch a strip with columns in Wix. Today's lesson is all about how to fine-tune your website for the optimal viewer experience. Begin by navigating to the Wix editor for your website. Once you have opened this, you'll find yourself in the dashboard of your site. This is the starting point, and from here, we're going to make some exciting changes. Remember, as with any edits or modifications, make sure to have a backup of your site before proceeding. So once you're in your site dashboard, your first step is to identify which strip with columns you want to modify or stretch. This could be any strip that you feel needs adjustment for better aesthetics or functionality. Once you have selected which strip you want to work on, apply a simple click on it. Upon clicking the strip, a new option labeled Stretched will appear. It's interesting how Wix brings out these small intuitive dialog boxes with options based on what part of your website you're engaged with. As soon as you see this option, click on it and get ready for the next level of customization. Upon clicking on Stretched, you get presented with two useful settings. The first one is the width setting. If you click on this, it will stretch your selected strip only up to the width of your web page. This helps if you want the strip to be as broad as the content of your site without enveloping the background. If you want the stretch to go beyond the boundary of the page and consume the entire width of the screen, then the second option labeled Screen has got you covered. By choosing Screen, your selected strip will be stretched up to the full width of the viewing screen. This could be particularly appealing for viewers on large screen devices and could immensely beautify fields like headers or footers. Further fine-tuning can be done by manually adjusting the margins if needed. Wix allows you to drag and adjust the margins of your newly stretched strip to ensure your layout stays intact and your website remains attractive for your visitors. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to stretch a strip with columns in Wix. Remember, play around with the settings, try different things out, and see what works best for your site and design vision. Happy editing!